What's poppin', everyone? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Welcome back to another video. I don't know about you guys, but I am really enjoying the sit down in my comfy chair type videos. Got my cup of nice Joe Swanson here. And you know, today's video I'm tackling a topic that I've never covered before. And you know, I've gotten this question a lot, and you know, it's making me think, you know, is it time to stand up? Is it time to stand up to the big dogs, Uber and Lyft? Gas prices are absolutely horrendous. I don't know about you guys. I don't know if you drive an electric car or a motor vehicle. Well, whatever, gas-powered vehicle, whatever you want to call it. But gas prices are insane. Out in Los Angeles, it's like $5 a gallon. Out in San Francisco, it's like $4.50. Unless you drive in Idaho or Utah, you know, gas prices are so high. Maybe even in Utah, it's $2, which is a lot for you guys. I know you guys are probably used to like 99-cent gallon fill-ups. You know, fill up your whole tank for like 12 bucks. But yeah, for here, you're spending at least $100 to fill up your tank. I mean, obviously depending on the size of your tank. And it's absolutely crazy. And Uber and Lyft, you know, should they increase wages? Should they increase fares? Increase pay with high gas prices? That's what we're going to be talking about today. Before I get into the video, into the topic of that, leave the video a big thumbs up. You know, it helps a lot, helps me so much, helps me make money. You know, although you know, YouTube monetization is pretty low these days, so I'm not making much money anyway, but still, thumbs up helps me a lot, and basically is the only way that you guys can really show that you care about me. It's like giving me a 5-star rating, you know, give the video a quick thumbs up. Maybe even a 4-star rating, thumbs up. But yeah, guys, so subscribe if you want, you know the spiel. If you want to see more videos, you should be already subscribed. If you're not yet, I don't know what you're doing. So yeah, should Uber and Lyft increase gas prices? So when you're driving for Uber and Lyft, you have three expenses that most people don't even think about, which is crazy. If you already know what those three are, you're already ahead of the game. 1, obviously gas. 2, maintenance, maintenance, you know, wear and tear. And then 3 is depreciation. So you guys already know my story. I drive a $5,000 car for Uber and Lyft. My depreciation is not going down much. So my 2 main expenses are wear and tear and then gas. Luckily for wear and tear, I maintain my car. I do most of the work myself, and then the stuff that is like more time consuming, I just don't have time to do it, because for me time is money. So I have a mechanic who I really trust. He's really good, doesn't charge me too much for labor. If you can find someone who you know, like on a more personal basis, you know, somebody who is talented, of course, does it full time as a profession, but still, like, you know, knows what he's doing and will not, you know, rip you off, do that. So my wear and tear is pretty low, I guess. You know, I get an oil change, guys, for like 22 bucks. Not just oil change, but oil change, tire rotations, you know, puts air in the tires, tune-ups, literally all that stuff. 22 bucks, I'm out the door. Takes them 30 minutes because I'm the first one there at 7 a.m. in the morning. Doesn't open till 7:30, but you know, I get there at 7. I sit at their doorstep on my phone, whatever, you know. And then gas. That's the one that I can't control. Unfortunately, I have to buy gas. Everyone does. So, you know, those 2 other ones you can kind of control a little bit, try to get them down. But then gas, you're paying. I have to spend $4.50 on it. What do I have? A 15-gallon tank? At least I think it's 14 gallons. So 14 times $5. That's 70 bucks. Yeah. 70 bucks to fill up my tank. My strategy, or maybe not my strategy, but my procedure, I guess, is I drive, and then at the end of my shift, I fill up my tank. So even if it's not all the way down, I fill it back up. That way the next morning, you know, I always have a full tank when I start my shift for Uber and Lyft. I don't see Uber and Lyft increasing pay. even with inflation prices, you know, the value of the dollar every single year gets lower, guys. That's why you see houses going up in value every year, 10%, pretty much. If you're thinking about buying a house, that's why people get mortgages on houses, because if you wait too long to buy it in cash, you're missing out on, you know, you're gonna have to end up paying so much more. So the interest is gonna be less. So inflation prices, you know, even like 5 years ago, you know, yeah, I mean, Uber and Lyft weren't around 10 years ago. I think they've been around 9 years now, maybe 10 actually now. But if you're driving Uber and Lyft 10 years ago when they first came out, and you know, at the end of the day, you're making 200 bucks, that 200 bucks is actually worth more than if you made 200 bucks now. This is just inflation, you know, basic inflation 101 here. But even with gas prices increasing, that's a huge factor. I mean, you know, a few years ago, gas is probably only worth like $2-3 bucks. I could fill up my tank for like 40 bucks. Now it's 70. Uber and Lyft is not paying more for that, should they? Let me know. What do you guys think? Maybe we can do something about it. Maybe we can all write a huge sign a petition or something. Let me know what you guys think. That's it for today's video. Super short, super quick, super sweet, super simple, super, I don't know, spicy, whatever. Whatever adjective you want to use that starts with an S. All right, guys, you guys are great. Let me know what you guys think. Should they increase wages for gas prices going up? I'll talk to y'all soon. Make sure to like if you haven't yet. Tap the thumbs up button with your thumb. Or if you're on a computer, click your mouse or your notepad on your keyboard. Or if you're watching on a TV, I don't know, you gotta get creative. Figure out how to give a thumbs up. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will talk to y'all soon. You guys are great. Later, guys.